A beautiful spring day. Spring always brings freshness and beauty. On a beautiful spring day, John and Sarah decided to go to the park. The weather was warm and pleasant, and the sky was blue and clear. When John and Sarah arrived at the park, they noticed colorful flowers blooming everywhere. Sarah said, "Spring is really a beautiful season. I love the flowers." John agreed and said, "Yes, spring is the season of new life." They walked through the park and heard the birds singing. Children were playing, and a gentle breeze was blowing. John and Sarah decided to have a small picnic. They sat on the grass and started eating their sandwiches. After lunch, John and Sarah decided to fly a kite. John launched the kite into the air, and Sarah held the string. The kite soared in the sky, and its bright colors looked beautiful against the blue sky. Sarah said, "This is the best spring day." John smiled and said, "Yes, I hope every spring is this beautiful." They spent the entire afternoon in the park, enjoying the beauties of spring. When the sun began to set, they went home, with beautiful memories of a wonderful spring day.